All right, Emma, go ahead and get me 8 counters for me, please. Okay, how many do you have there?
8.
Can you count them for me?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Awesome. All right, open your hands for me. Okay, close your hand. Close your other hand. All right. Here are 6 counters. Here are 2 counters. How many counters do you have altogether?
8.
8. How did you get 8?
Because if I took 1 from the 2 and add it to the 6, that would make 7. And after the 7 makes I know after the 7 equals 8.
Awesome. Okay, put those down on the platform, please. All right. I'm going to cover those guys up. Alrighty. Okay, buddy. So what we have here is, here are 8 counters. Here are 5 counters. How many counters do you have altogether?
13.
How do you get 13?
Because if I took 2 from the 5 and added to the 8, that would make 10. And if I have 3 left over, that equals 13.
Okay. Good stuff. Wow. All right. Let's see. How many cups are there in each row?
5.
5. Okay. How many rows do you see?
I see 6.
How many cups are there altogether?
30.
What did you say?
30.
30. How did you get 30?
Because I counted by tens.
Show me.
10, 20, 30.
And when you did this, you said 10. How did you know that was 10?
Because 5 plus 5 equals 10.
Okay. All right. Awesome. You have 25 chairs. Here are your 25 chairs. Okay? If you need them, you can use them. 1/5 of the chairs need to be around each table. How many chairs will you put around each table?
4.
4? Okay. Why do you say 4?
Because there's 4 sides, and I can use different chairs for different tables.
All right. Okay. Awesome. All right. Leanna counted 82 yellow-eyed penguins on the beach. Later, there were only 47. How many penguins had swum out to sea? How many?
35.
Okay, why do you say 35? How did you get that?
Because has if I'm at 47 and I need to get to 82, I did like this. I jumped to 10 and then I got to 57. I jumped another 10 and got to 67, and then I jumped another 10 and I got to 77, and then I jumped to 5, and that got me all the way to 82.
Wow, buddy. That's awesome. So how many did you jump from 47 to 82 altogether?
I jumped 35.
Wow. Okay. Good stuff, man. Like it. Good thinking. All right. Katie has 6 packets of biscuits. Okay, you see them? There are 15 biscuits in each packet. How many biscuits does Katie have? $90. How did you get 90?
I counted by all. I got all the 10 from each packet, and then I went over and counted all the 5s.
Okay. So explain to me more. Do a little bit more explaining for me. I'm still trying to. So you took all the 10s out, and then what did you do?
I counted all of the 10s. I added up all the 10s, and then
that gave you how much?
And that gave me 60.
Okay.
And then I went back over, and I went through all the 5s. And that leads me all the way to 90.
Wow, buddy. Okay. Good stuff. All right. Gerald planted 40 apple trees. 3/10 of them were destroyed by a storm. How many apple trees did he lose? 30? How did you get 30?
The storm destroyed all of them, so
What's wrong? Keep talking. You're not sure? What aren't you sure about?
I made a mistake.
Okay, what's your mistake?
I only minus 1/10.
How many 10s did you need to minus?
3.
3 10s? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. And how much is 3 10s?
10.
Is that your answer?
Yes.
Okay, well, I just asked you how much was 3 10s.
Minus 3 10s.
Oh, you minus 3 10s, and that left you with how many?
10.
10. Okay, I got you now. Good stuff, buddy. All right. Task 9. The ceiling is 2.3 meters high. The bookcase is 1,845 millimeters high. How high, in meters, is the space between the bookcase and the ceiling? What do you think, buddy?
I don't know.
Okay, that's fine. You're not sure about that one, are you?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Question 10. Question 10. Andre has ordered 81 tennis balls. There are in 3 cans... Oh, sorry. Andre has ordered 81 tennis balls. They are in 3 cans of ball. There are They are in cans of 3 balls. Sorry. How many cans should there be? Let me read that again to you. Andre has ordered 81 tennis balls. They are in cans of 3 balls. How many cans should there be? What do you think? You have something going on in your head, or you're not sure? What's going on? Talk it out for me.
Trying to count to 3 all by 3s all the way to 81.
Okay, go ahead. What do you think, bud?
I have another strategy.
Okay, what's your other strategy?
I counted by 10s all the way to 80. And 10 plus 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 10 equals 80 plus 1 more equals 81.
Okay, so how many cans are there if there's 81 balls? You got it? Not sure? I like your strategy, though. So write down your strategy, and maybe that's something that we can work on, okay? You rock my socks. Awesome. Thank you. All done.